If your computer built with the Gigabyte B550 AORUS L8V2 motherboard cannot detect Wi-Fi, it usually means the wireless driver has not been installed yet. After installing Windows, some network components may not function until the correct driver package from Gigabyte is installed. The Wi-Fi driver allows the motherboard to communicate with the wireless adapter, so your PC can find and connect to nearby networks. Installing it only takes a few minutes and can be done using another device. To download the driver file from Gigabyte's support page, try these. Step 1. On another device, visit the Gigabyte support website and search for the B550 AORUS Elite V2 driver page. Step 2. Download the latest Wi-Fi driver package compatible with your version of Windows. Step 3. Transfer the driver file to your PC using a USB flash drive or external storage. Step 4. Open the file on your computer and run the driver installer to begin installation. Step 5. Restart the computer and check the network settings to confirm Wi-Fi networks now appear.